Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Chris, and over the past year and a half, I've been documenting me starting a 3D printing business. Been trying to give you a transparent look at the wins and difficult challenges that you will come across if this is a business model you're trying to get into. I not only manufacture for other people, but I also design and sell my own products. And today, I want to be really honest with you guys. Over the past month or so, YouTube has been a little bit of a struggle. I've been getting some videos out and have been really encouraged and loved the process of making them, but once they're on the platform, they aren't performing well. And while I'm just trying to share a transparent look at what I'm doing here, I want to make sure that the efforts I'm putting in are providing a lot of value for people. And I always try to keep the positive side and think that YouTube, if it's not going to encourage people to watch my video, that means I'm missing the mark in some way. So today, I'd really like if you guys could drop some thoughts of yours in the comments right now about what type of content, 3D printing or business or otherwise, that you would like to see on this channel going forward. And if you're new here, I would love it if you liked and subscribed to the channel. It really does help. And you know, the whole point of me is to give you some perspectives on what's going on in the shop. I feel like when I make these videos, often I find myself repeating the same information week over week. And while I know that can target kind of a new audience, I want to make sure that for the people who've been here for the last year and a half plus, that you guys are getting the same amount of value back then as you are now as you did back then. When it comes to content, something that I'm looking at doing is taking a little bit more feedback from you guys on what you specifically want to see. A couple examples that I have that have come from the community are dedicated videos on 3D print software, 3D modeling software, and what you think should be the one that you go with, whether it's free or paid. And another one is about pricing products. How do you price products? Because I know that's a pretty tricky question, and there's a lot of flavors and ways to do that. Those are a couple of videos that are already on my radar and kind of starting to be built out with an outline in my notes. But for now, I would like to open the floor and ask you guys if there's specific video topics you'd like to see. This channel has been a very organic way to learn and also drive the direction of my business. For many of you who followed along this entire way, it started out with just me designing and selling my own products, and then quickly evolved into manufacturing for others. And primarily now I do manufacturing work for others. I can do a wide range of materials, all the way from PLA all the way up to nylon. And I've got a total of, you can't see them over here, but 7 Bambu P1Ss. I'm gonna be buying 3 more, 4 H2Ds, a P2S, an X2D, a couple A1 minis, and a Haygears Reflex RS Turbo resin printer. And it's been a wild ride. It seems like every other month I'm adding something new to the shop. And I just want to find a way that I can share this with you guys that provides the most value. So this is going to be a short video. I have a huge project that's going on in my backyard, and I have family coming over tomorrow to help tear down my old 100-year-old garage that was built for a Model T. We'll be building that out and putting a fence in the backyard, but I wanted to make sure that we could connect and just chat. If you are interested in getting involved in the community, I do live streams every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, and you can jump on there and we can chat, and I love to answer questions live and whatnot. There's also one last question I have, and I think I already know the answer, but Discord. I have a Patreon and we have a community chat there, but it's honestly been pretty dead, and I feel really bad about that, to be honest. So if you're in the Patreon now, I'd still love if you could comment here and say, you know, +1 to Discord. But I am highly considering getting a Discord started in a way to communicate with all of you guys, and then also allow everybody else to start communicating with each other. What I understand, and I think the hardest part about growing a business like I am, is actually finding people to work with. And I've always wanted to make this kind of a little hub where people could connect and share ideas and also potentially share business. And to do that, I think I've struggled to find a good platform to do it on, and Discord might be the right option. So let me know in the comments below, and that would be great. I don't know if you could hear that, but my baby girl's calling me. So I'm gonna go hang out and do some family time. Again, thank you for being here. All your support really does help. Let's work together to make sure that what I'm sharing with you guys definitely aligns, and I've really been enjoying my video editing process lately, so I'll continue to work on improving that. And otherwise, yeah, other than that, I'm just rambling at this point. But everybody, I'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. This has been Chris at Off the Bench.